Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Joseph and Nick are on their way. I'm not too sure where they're starting, but I do know they need to tie in all the water lines, shut off the water, do a little insulation, and eventually replace this old shutoff valve with a new copper one. Everything in the house will be PEX, everything outside will be copper. We can't have PEX on the outside because it'll be exposed to sun. I'm going to try to move that rain barrel out of the way. It's kind of heavy, it's 70 gallons of water, but let's make some space so they could work. The rain barrel wasn't too bad to move, but there was this weed here that I couldn't pull out, so I had to end up cutting that one. Joseph and Nick are here. They are unloading some stuff from their truck, and we'll see where they want to start working today. Joseph decided to start working in the kitchen. The lines are by the main door here. They drop in from the attic, and this is what will feed the kitchen. And Nick is out here working hard, and that should be done today. Let's head back into the kitchen. He's pretty much done soldering here, and the copper is ready to go to be tied into our kitchen sink. Let's head into the bathroom now. Everything is getting tied in. The toilet over there, shower, hot and cold, and double vanity over here. They're in the attic working. I'm going to try to get up in there and see if I could get some footage. I was a little late recording in the attic, but they are all done up there tying everything together back into the master bathroom, where they are removing one of the old vents. They're mostly done in here. We took a quick lunch break, more Costco food. Now the afternoon, we are headed outside in the front yard where the main water line is. They're gonna shut that off and replace our old one with a new one and connect it to that copper that goes into the garage. Joseph and Nick just left. That copper is looking beautiful. They didn't actually turn off the water today. Next time they will do that and finish tying everything in. Nick also got to our main pipe, so they will be doing the pull for brand new main lines. Video number 169 done.